Skills. Oh no. Try it again. Skillage. Ah, crap. Cuts off both my legs, makes it easy. And I fail again. Yay, that makes it easier. Oh, skill. I get to a much higher level. And this is why Ragdoll shouldn't be in a game. We're sorry, this game's not suitable for blind people. Oh yeah, get lost. I'm gonna turn the volume down a bit, because it's noisy. Try it again. One more time. What's wrong with you? I have to click on it again. Right, here we go. No fooling around. New high score, fail. I suck. Alright, yeah, kill yourself on purpose. You dodged one. Nice. High score ever. Which little slit. Yeah, so, that was my Ragdoll Avalanche new high score epic failure. Yeah. I think I'll be seeing you later. Comment, rate, subscribe, do whatever. I don't really care what.